On the 7-pin side of the graphic user interface is the USB port. Take your USB stick and insert it into the port. Once the graphic user interface identifies the USB stick, the screen will change and bring up an import data and export data screen. To export data, make sure the export data button is highlighted. Press OK. Select the folder that you want to hold the backup. Press OK. And now the backup file is on the USB stick. And go ahead and remove the USB device. We've got our backup on our USB drive, and now we'll insert it into the laptop computer. Now that the computer has recognized the USB device, we'll move our mouse and select View GUI Logs. With the USB drive, the computer will automatically bring up the first log file, which happens to be where we have our backup. There are 165 pages in this log file. So in the report, our most current data is on page 165. All the machine data is in chronological order, so it gives us the opportunity to see the machine's data based on how it was run by the customer. So here we can see where we reset the duster cloth. We can see where we reset the squeegee and the absorbent wiper counters. And we can see where we reset the spin-on filter. We can see information on how the battery is used when we operate the machine. We can see the amount of time that it takes to complete a bowling lane. And we also know what pattern is being run and by which operator if they are using the security. We can also see the information from the charging of the machine, from the time that it was connected to the charger all the way down until when it has completed its charge mode. This is a very useful tool for us, and it makes troubleshooting the machine so much easier. I needed to take the backup file and send it to Brunswick Technical Support via email. So with my USB device in the computer, I select the USB drive, I select the backup folder, and with each backup, we collect 37 different files. And these files contain everything about the performance of the lane machine, settings, security, as well as performance of the software. The file that we want to send to BTS is a compressed folder. It is located as one of the last files that are backed up. We can select it, we can copy it, we can move it to another folder, or we can move it to our desktop, and then you want to send an email to techsupport@brunswickbowling.com. My subject, I will put log files. I will select my attach file icon. I will go to the backup folder, select the compressed file. I will click send, and in a matter of seconds they'll have the file and they can start reviewing what is happening with the lane machine. With the Pattern Manager software, we have the ability to be able to transfer one pattern or groups of patterns to the lane machine at any given time. In this case, I want to bowl on one pattern, and I will install that pattern in program number 6. I can grab the pattern and drag it directly over to the pattern position, release my mouse, and now the pattern is located on the USB drive in the position that I want and is ready for me to import into the lane machine. Now we will import a pattern into the user interface. Take your USB stick and insert it into the port. Now that we have our import and export data screen, we navigate over to the import data button and press OK. Then we select the folder with the pattern that we want to import. You'll receive a warning message that some data will be erased. Press OK. and the user interface will ask you to remove the USB drive. And now you will receive a message to download the pattern. Press OK, and the download will begin. Insert the USB device that contains the software update, and after the user interface recognizes the USB device, it will generate a message that there is a software update available. Select OK to begin the software update.